Imagine two insects facing the same summer. One sings and dances freely, while the other works silently, carrying heavy loads.
When winter arrives, one freezes in deep regret. The other thrives warmly inside its well-prepared home.
This is far more than a children's fable. It reveals the hidden pattern, deciding who builds wealth and who remains broke forever.
Most people live their lives as grasshoppers. They spend everything they earn chasing instant pleasure and dopamine. They constantly tell themselves they will start saving tomorrow. Yet that tomorrow never seems to arrive.
They live trapped in an endless summer of distractions. New gadgets, credit card vacations, and impulse buys dominate their days.
Slowly, their future self becomes a desperate stranger, begging for mercy from years of reckless neglect. Psychology calls this powerful trap present bias. Your brain is wired to always crave immediate rewards.
Future security feels too distant and unreal. The grasshopper simply enjoys the moment, with no real plan.
Until the season of life suddenly shifts. Cold reality arrives for those who failed to prepare. Now meet the ant, the quiet hero of this ancient story. In Aesop's tale, it had no extra talent or luck. It simply understood one eternal truth. Seasons always change, and preparation is the key to survival. While the grasshopper partied without a care in the world, the ant stored food, prepared wisely, and built its future. History is filled with ant-minded people who succeeded. They understood the power of long-term thinking. The #1 billionaire of this century still lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. He let compound interest work quietly.
The ant never chases shiny new distractions. It masters the quiet power of daily consistency instead.
Small actions repeated in the right direction create empires. Discipline builds what talent alone cannot. The real difference is not intelligence or talent. It is mindset and the practice of delayed gratification. Ants resist small rewards today for much larger ones tomorrow. Studies prove this single trait predicts success better than IQ. Grasshoppers stay trapped by invisible strings. Fear of missing out and social comparison control their choices.
Ants view every dollar as a powerful seed. They plant it wisely so it grows into future freedom and security.
They understand compound interest as quiet, everyday magic. Not mere numbers, but a profound force that builds empires.
So how do you stop living as a grasshopper? The transformation begins with ridiculously small, disciplined steps. Save just 1% more this month. Cut one unnecessary expense that no longer serves your future. Create a dedicated future self account and pay it first every single time, just like the ant carrying crumbs before sunset.